On an average with CPA marketing, you actually do get paid about $2 or $1.5 to $2 right now. And guys, in today's video, I'm actually going to show you how you could go on to making a lot of money with CPA marketing and actually get up to 1,000 leads to your CPA marketing offers. So this is going to be an amazing strategy which you want to just simply make sure you do stick on and watch to the end to utilize this strategy. And guys, if we do jump right ahead into today's video, the first thing which you want to do right now is to actually get an account created with CPA Grip or any CPA marketing platform which you actually do have access to. And guys, if you do go onto such platform right now, you want to make sure you do go into creating an account. You'll be able to see a register icon if you're using CPA Grip right here in this section. That is if you are not registered. And once you do register, you can go on to logging into your account. Right now you can see I'm logged into my account and I'm on the offer tools section and my offers, and I was brought to this page right here. You can actually do see lots of offers which you could go on to promoting. This offer actually gets you about $4 right here. This one actually gets you $4.28. This one pays you about $1.92. So if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see lots of different offers you can actually go on to using to promote right now and get some cool affiliate commission. But the strategy which I'm going to show you right here, guys, is actually going to be an amazing one, which regardless of any location which you do promote the offer to, they are actually going to be showing offers which they can complete and you do get paid some cool affiliate commission. So I can actually promote an offer to any country of my choice right now. Not necessarily that I must promote an offer to the United Kingdom or to any country, any specific country. So all you want to do right now is to actually come to this section right here. You want to click on this monetization tools, click on URL file locker because we're going to be using the URL file locker strategy. All you need to do is to click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and you can go on to creating your URL file locker via the page that you can actually do see on the screen right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an example of a URL file locker which I created. So take a look at this one right here which says Keto Locker. If I do open this particular locker right now, you'll be able to see that this is an amazing one right here that is actually leading people to go on to downloading this keto cookbook right here, which is the easy keto diet to lose weight. And this is the size right here. This is the uploaded date and last downloaded date. You can see right now I actually do have a locked content in this particular locked URL section. What I actually did, guys, was to go onto the template section and actually do select the file download locker, and I actually went on to lock in a very valuable content which is actually an ebook or a PDF on this particular topic right here. And to get that PDF, you can actually do go onto platforms like PDF Drive, the freeplrdownloads.com or the free-ebooks.net. With these three platforms, guys, you can go on to getting free ebooks which you could go on to utilizing and locking in your URL file locker. So supposing I come right here and actually do search for keto locker. So if I do a keto diet instead, sorry, you can actually do see some cool searches right there that are actually related to that. You can see this is a step-by-step cookbook to gain ketosis. You can actually do see other kinds of ebooks right here you could go on to utilizing. So what you want to do is to just simply select an ebook which you want to use, download the ebook, and once the ebook has been downloaded, head on to this particular platform right now which is called the Google Drive, upload that ebook and go on to getting a link to that ebook. Supposing, guys, that this is the ebook right here, I'm going to click on these three dots, click on share, and click on share once more, which a pop-up is actually going to be shown to me. All you actually need to do is to go onto the general access, which you can actually do see right here. Make sure that this is on anyone with a link, then you can copy the new link and actually go on to locking that in your URL file locker and edit other section based on your preference. Once you do that, guys, go on to clicking on save right now and your URL file locker will actually be created right now. So once you do promote this and somebody do clicks on the link to your URL file locker, which you can actually do get by clicking on get link, this is the link right here. If you copy the link and go on to promoting that link, regardless of the country which people actually do come from, if they do click on that link, they are actually going to be taken to offers in the country to which they reside in for them to complete one first before they can actually do gain access to that locked content. So right now, guys, you want to then just simply go on to creating a very simple maybe video that you can actually use to promote that particular locker. And to do that, you can use this particular platform called the li.io. As this is going to be an amazing tool you can go on to using to boost your income with CPA marketing. As with li.io, you can create AI videos from just text. And this is actually an amazing tool you can actually use for explainer videos. You can use that for HR onboarding videos, e-learning, e-commerce, and a lot more other cool stuff right here. So to actually know more about this particular AI tool, make sure you come onto this page and scroll through and actually read through this particular page where you'll be able to see some of its capabilities of the AI tool. If you do click on pricing, you'll be brought to the pricing section where you can actually see the pricing plan of this AI tool. Go on to registering for one of these right now and utilize that. You could also see the features of each plan right here. So if I do log into my account, I can actually go on to creating a video, maybe from the storyboard right now or from an avatar. If I do select with an avatar right now, I'll be shown some avatars, which if I do go on to selecting one at random, maybe I want to use this one, I'm going to click on this plus icon and I can actually go on to using that particular avatar. So right here, what I want to do right now is to actually edit this page based on my preference. And to edit this page right now, I can actually add in a background image. Maybe I want to use this image right here. If I add in that as the background, I'm going to right click on this and actually go on to moving this backward. So once I move this backward, I can then go on to stretching other sections right now. So if I stretch other sections successfully, as you can actually see right in here, you can actually see how cool this looks like. So to actually go on to giving this AI or avatar what to say right now, you want to just simply come and paste that in right here, and you can actually create this in various scenes right here. You could duplicate this, create various scenes. You could change the avatar via this avatar section right now. You could also go on to adding text, elements, upload, record, animation, and a lot more cool features right now. So once you actually add in a new slide right here, edit that based on your preference, and to give this AI what to say, you can paste that in right here, and you can get some cool content from this particular platform called ChatGPT. And supposing I actually write a very cool call to action right now for ChatGPT to actually generate for me. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to write a keto diet, an article on keto diet for me, and ChatGPT did actually a great job. All you need to do is to copy the text which ChatGPT actually generated and actually go on to giving it to that particular LI AI to go on to saying, and that is actually going to be an amazing one. Make sure that the video and the background actually blend properly. And if you do that right here, actually fix everything based on your preference, you can then just simply come right now, click on render, and actually go on to downloading that particular image or that particular video right now. Once you download the video, guys, or before downloading the video, it is quite important that you add a very cool call to action directing people or individuals to the link in the description of the video right now. So if you do direct people to the link in the description to actually gain a free ebook, they are actually going to be interested in gaining that ebook right now. And if they do go on to clicking on the link in the description of the particular video, guys, is actually going to take them to my URL file locker first for them to complete an offer before they can actually gain access to that particular ebook, which will be in the description of that video. So once you download this particular video, you can actually head onto platforms like Facebook to actually go on to uploading that. Maybe you may want to just simply create something like a Facebook short image or video. As you can see, they are actually getting lots and lots of engagement. Use that to your own benefit right now, or and actually go on to promoting your videos right now as a YouTube short. So if you promote a video as a YouTube short and try as much as possible to get traffic to that, you can actually go on to start making money online. So you guys, you could also go on to using platforms like Instagram right here. Make sure you create a cool Instagram theme page and utilize that for this purpose right now. You can actually use TikTok right here also. Go on to uploading some cool and amazing videos on TikTok, and you can actually go on to making some cool cash right now. And also make sure that the link is available in the bio of your account or in the description of the video, and you can actually go on to making money online with this simple strategy. So if you have any question, leave that in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to go on to giving you some cool and fast response. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you on in my next video, guys, and goodbye.